Hey, how's it going? This is Turkish Coffee. Today we're working on a box called LAME from hackthebox. We got EAP, but before working on the box, I have something for you guys. This is a very simple list of all the tools I'll be using in this tutorial. And I believe is kind of a useful reference for to know beforehand what we are using. Okay, so or maybe also for the future. I don't know. I think it's useful. Hopefully, it's also useful for you guys. Here are the most interesting and the most important lines. So, 4 exploitation methods and 2 privilege escalation techniques. Right? Why the most important lines? Because I treat every box as a playground. I treat every box as a lab, okay, where I can test, try, make mistakes, and learn. Okay, my point in doing boxes is not just I want to root.txt. I want to post on social media that I pawned this or that box. I understand that, but if you want to prepare for tough exam like pnpt, ecppt, I don't know, of course oscp and other, you got to learn you got to learn the mechanism, you got to learn the tools, you got to learn methodologies and all those things. You copy pasting and cloning commands and procedure for other write-ups is not giving you anything useful for real. So hopefully this type of write-up and this type of like videos is going to be useful for you. Second thing I prepared is a repo in my Github, and is basically just a collection of most of the commands I use during CTFs and engagements. Look, okay, so most of the commands are here, and for sure all of the ones we are using today are here. So if you have any doubts on something, you can go and in my repo and check it. I think it's useful. Again, this is not payload all the things, sec lists, or hack tricks. No, I'm not an NSA hacker. Let me tell you this. I just love this, and I do what I love. I do what I can. And I also love sharing knowledge. So let's do this. And now off the box. 10.10.10.3. Let's do it. So, Terminator, clear, right? Bang. Yeah, box is alive. As we can see, from time to leave is a Linux machine, but we knew that already, yeah, because it's written here, yeah. But sometimes during engagement you don't have this luxury, and yeah, there are some tools and some ways, some information are leaking here and there, just without utilizing nmap, so you can get some insight on the OS. So next, IPA. So what I usually do is this, so that I don't have to go back and forth for this and that IP. And target is 10.10.10.3, right? Then I pipe everything into IP, right? Oh, that's okay. Good. So, in this window here, we have the information we need for our work today. Good. Next, nmap, right? Who doesn't love nmap? Nmap is everywhere, right? Let me just run the scripts, and then I will comment about the option things, right? So I'm at TAC A. This stands for aggressive, and we work in basically here we gather information, we utilize in standard script, enumerate version, and we get information about the OS, right? Target, pipe everything into a file, and then we treat the host as alive, right? In this case, instead, we are scanning all the 65,535 ports, TCP ports, on the speed of T4. T5 is maximum top speed. Of course, this is lame IP, and we pipe everything here and save for treating the host alive. So let's see what happens. Fantastic. We already have some information. my bad. I'm sorry. So here we have FTP, SSH, the marvelous Samba, and there should also be Debian. Okay, Debian. I think there should also be something about, yeah, Debian Ubuntu. Okay, good. Okay, computer name and everything. Okay, let's see. This other one, 72%. So the very first thing here we do, let me tell you guys. So we'll compromise this machine exploiting two vulnerabilities. The first one is this one, the one like titled as CVE 2007-2447. Okay, and then we will just target this vulnerability in three different ways, utilizing three different basically exploit, right? And the last vulnerability, and the second vulnerability we will target is this one. Second, yeah. So is this one, which is about another service. Yeah, this is totally another service, another vulnerability. This is absolutely fantastic and also easy to compromise. Okay, but we will see this later. But the point is, two type of vulnerabilities. In the first one, we compromise it using three different ways. We compromise it in two different ways, and the second one in one way, utilizing a GitHub script. Okay, we have some information back, and this is what I wanted, right? So distccd, yeah, this is a port which was not shown. I don't know if I can say shown, but it was not in the result of the aggressive scan from Nmap, as you can see. But this is going to be useful, and this is going to be the last service which will compromise. The second service will compromise, okay? Because first we will work on SMB, right? So let's do something. First thing is here, this guy here, Samba. Oh my God, Samba 3020. Let's see. Let's see. Exploit. Yeah, this is it. So here we are presented with Rapid7. Rapid7 is the owner, the builder, if I can put it that way, of Metasploit, right? So there is a module which targets exactly this vulnerability through Samba. And I mean, we're going to get through it in like seconds. So let's spin up MSF console. Okay. MSF console is the command to start Metasploit. Oh, look how beautiful this thing is. Stick. U0. Here's your options. Set our hosts 10.10.3. Set L host. We can in this at this value we can set the IP, or we can just say this. Metasploit is smart, it gets it. Set L port 4455. I think everything is fine here. Let me just double check. Oh yeah, no, not everything is fine. We got a L port, no, R port, apologies. R port, you see, mistakes are around the corner, huh? Run. We can type run or exploit, and I mean that's the same thing. Let's see if we're lucky. Young and lucky. Oh yeah, good. Root. Okay. So what's the point of utilizing Metasploit? We don't actually, we're not learning much from this, right? And at the beginning of the video was saying my point with this video is like learning techniques, learning manual stuff, this and that. But in this case, we're not really learning much. The point, utilizing a Metasploit module, which is given root in second, is actually getting root in seconds. You know, sometimes during engagements, or sometimes in some complex CTF, this or that script is not working, this or that tool is not working, and you need to get root. So why not using Metasploit? Okay, that's the reason. So very good. Close it. Let's go back to the real world. And that was the first method how to compromise LAME utilizing Metasploit. We were root, and we were directly root, so there was no need to Privesc. Good. The second method is utilizing a script. And we're gonna target the same vulnerability but manually. Okay, so let's do this. This is the script. As we can see, is remote code execution for Samba. This is the Samba service which is on LAME, and this is exactly the same CVE like we just targeted a few seconds ago. Usage examples, right? Very good. I think we're gonna use this one. Yeah, but we'll see. No, not this one. No, this one. Apologies. Right. So let's clone the repo. Git clone cd cve plus chmod plus x, and then we go for smb ls, and then we go for for this, let's see, Python 3 smb. Oh, okay, usage, fantastic. And then we go for target machine is 10.10.10.3, and then we go for 445 as the port. We go for netcat, and then we execute this command, which is bin sh, and we spawn a reverse shell back to our machine doing this, right? So 10.10.14.3 is our box, and I want it on 8200, right? Good. First, before doing that, of course, we need to to start netget. Okay, we can just do this, but we can also do this rlw wrap, which is basically these are the steroids for netget. This will allow us to use the arrows and stuff. And then we do NLVP, and then we do 8200, right? So we listen in on 8200 on our box. Let's see. Yeah, we there. And I believe we root, right? Yeah, so we root. Good. So this is another way to exploit the very same vulnerability. This is like, it's not more technical. Yeah, maybe it's a bit more technical than utilizing a Metasploit module, but it's not, not super technical. You know, at the end, we just have to Python script, right? Good. But thank you very much, and kudos to Zimni or Zimni. Dziękuję bardzo. Maybe he's Polish. I don't know. Let's see whether this guy is Polish. Partika Jakub. Oh, Partika probably is Polish. Dziękuję, Jakub. Dziękuję, Kuba. Good. So, let's close this. So, second exploit, same vulnerability. Let's see what we can do next. Let's run this. I want to run this tool for you guys. Enum for Linux, tech A, and then we scan the target. This is a tool used to find privilege escalation avenues. And let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Sorry. Okay, here is what we need. Sorry. Allow sessions, server 10.10.10.3, allow session using username nothing and password nothing. Oh, fantastic, right? Oh, beautiful. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then, of course, we have a writable a writable folder. So let's see. This is all we need. Yeah, so we can just stop. We can just stop the enum for Linux tool, and we can do some stuff. So we connect to that folder on LAME using anonymous login. Is there working? Yeah, there's also there working. I don't think we have no information about this. Yeah, good. Double, okay, yeah, okay, current directory, good. And then what we have to do is this, help. With help, we see most of the commands, or probably all the commands we can utilize. Yeah, maybe some of them won't work, but the one we need is this one, logon. Why? I will show you why in a second. As I was saying at the beginning, we targeting the same vulnerability in 3 different ways, using 3 different scripts if we want. And in this case, we using this one. Yeah, okay, this is exactly the same module utilized in Metasploit earlier, right? But we have to manipulate this specific string. And honestly, I found this on some write-ups, okay? But I wanted to present it to you because this is also a possibility, okay? So why not, you know, put in this in our arsenal? You know, maybe in some other occasions we cannot use Metasploit, in some other occasion we cannot utilize some other script. And so why not just building up skills and knowledge, right? Good. So let's see this string. You know, this is the string, and if we do this, of course we'll get an error. You know, I just wanted to have it there. The right one is this. Okay, this is the manipulated one. Let's analyze it. Okay, so log on, which is a command. Where is it? Here, which is a command you can utilize. We log on. All right, you utilize the logon command, and then no hop and see. This is gonna trigger a reverse shell back home for us. Right, execute bin bash, and then this is our, no, this is not my IP, but I will change it, and this is the port I will probably change as well. All right, it's 13, right? 13, right? And then 82. Good. So this is the command, and look, this is absolutely fantastic, because just type in this command, you know, just typing it here will grant us a reverse shell back home, right? Let's get it here, just with the netcat without RL whatever that thing was, NLVP 8282, right? Let me check it again. So we have logon quote slash equal backtick. This is backtick, guys. Okay, it's not single quote. This is backtick. Yeah, if you check in, no hub and C netcat bin bash 10.10.14.13, which is my Kali, and then 8282, which is open there. Let's see if we're lucky. Yeah, we're lucky. Root, and we root again. You know why we root? Yeah, Turkish coffee. Why we root? Why all the time we root? Because we are targeting the same. We targeting the same vulnerability, and utilizing this sort of exploitation method, we're gonna get root all the time. Fantastic. Good. So exit. Let me get exit. Oh, this is okay. It's gone. Oh no, I have to close this. All right. Clear. Good. And now we off the last exploitation method for lame, right? Good. Here it is. Let me just check something for you guys. So this is a service which I've never seen before, and when there is something I don't know, I just Google it, right? distccd exploit. CCD exploit. Okay, so beautiful. Actrix. I love you, Actrix. I mean, this is so fantastic. There is everything here. This is like our Bible or Quran. I don't know, or Torah, or I don't want to get into religion, but it's meant to say that this is a very important thing for all the hackers. Okay, so this CC D stands for demon in our demon Targaryen in our case, is a tool that enhances the compilation process by utilizing the idle processing power of other computers in the network. Okay, all right. At the end, we just need to get in using it, right? So exploitation, check if it's vulnerable. Okay, this is, as we know, this is another vulnerability, yeah, 2004-2687, right? And we were targeting another one. Here is another one here. What is it? I think it's this one. Yeah, this was the vulnerability we were targeting in the previous in the previous actions. Yeah, good. So 2004-2687, beautiful. So this service has probably some bugs and stuff, and we can check whether it's vulnerable utilizing Metasploit. Okay, but I already closed it, so we're not going to use it. And we can also use an nmap script. Okay, good. So nmap script, this is fantastic, huh? I love nmap for real. 10.10.10.3. Yeah, so nmap targeting that port for that service. This is lame, and this tells us not us, but to nmap utilize this script. This is the CV ID, and then script args. This is probably the command which is going to be injected somewhere there in the expose service. Let's see. Of course, it's not working. Alright. Okay, so fast. Vulnerable. Woohoo! Fantastic. Good. So it's vulnerable, right? Is it? I don't know. Let's check. What can we do here? Actually, we can do this. We can do this. Distccd Github exploit. Oh yeah, use this also. This works. So dark coder, thank you very much for this. This is a script which will help us compromise the machine. And this is, like, as you can see, is a Python. And let's see whether it works. Here there is the command. Let's see the command. This exploit lame. Okay, this is the port command, and this is the reverse shell to us. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. Let's clone it. Row, copy. Nano, dark coder, sccd, scc. How's it called? Oh, no, I'm sorry. Dist sccd dot py. Good. Accept chmod plus x dark coder ls. Oh, we can do this actually. Python. Oh my god. Oh, Python 3 dark coder. Let's see. Haha, it works. Beautiful. So tact for target 10.10.10.3. The port is 3632. And then we go for, probably this is command, and this is netcat, and this is 10.10.14.13. And we will open, what we're going to open, 7676, and tacky, and then the marvelous bin bash bin sh shell. All right, let's see. Netcat, we can use that one. RLW wrap netcat NLVP 7676. Good. Okay. Python 3 dark coder target port command. Okay, let's see. Exception raised. Oh, whoa. Wait. Let me see. Yes. Okay, it was Python 2, bro. Yeah, Python 2. Oh. Good. So we daemon here. We daemon Targaryen. Not sure how to spell it. And this is interesting, guys, because we can have some fun. We can have some fun, definitely, right? So beautiful. Be a beautiful. Be a beautiful. So what do we do when we have a shell like this? Is it good? Not very much, right? Right. So first thing is this. We stabilize the shell, right? That's not the best shell ever, right? STTY row echo semicolon foreground, right? Oh, yeah. We there. Export shell equal bash. Export term equal xterm. Right? Should be better, right? Alas, and now this is the most fun part, the funniest part of this box. Privesc, bro. So we run this command to see whether we can utilize the marvelous, the one and only GTFO bins tool to escalate privilege. Yeah. So basically, this command is searching for files with the set UID or set IG permission. Yeah. So we can exploit that misconfiguration, so to speak, to become root. Okay. And one which is maybe not always there, but is most of the times is there, is of course nmap, and it's one of the easiest one to exploit. Let me see where it is. I saw it earlier. Where is it? I need some glasses, guys. I need some glasses. I need some glasses. Right here. Okay. Next. This is so beautiful. This is absolutely so beautiful. So GTFO bins, it's here. It's here. What is it? Privesc. And map. Oh, nice. GTFO bins. Look, we just have to, it can be used to break out from restricted environment by spawning an interactive system shell, right? So input echo is disabled. We just have to run these commands. Look, beautiful. This is so beautiful. Right? Haha. We got some news, bro. We got some news, bro. What? What's that? What's that? Root. What's that? What's that? Okay. So in this case, we were able to escalate privilege utilizing this technique. And this is one of the standard, this is probably one of the top 10 most used techniques to find files which can be utilized to escalate to root, right? Or to root, because we're on Linux. And yeah, absolutely. GTFO bins. Just put it in your bookmark somewhere. Let me just reboot the box. Give me a second. So we back to the second way to Privesc. And this is a fantastic one, honestly, and it's kind of a jaw-dropping. But let me explain you while I do it. So first off, again, we compromise the box. Same way. Same ways like with the dark coder exploit using this, what's that called? This ccd exploit. Let me just fix. Yeah, I was right. 70 through 73. All right. So just to have a foothold here. Yeah. So in this case, we just name it, I guess. Yeah. Control Z, sty, row, tech echo, semicolon for round. Good. Export shell equal bash. Export term equal x term, right? Good. So what's the point here? Basically, a few years ago there was a backdoor in an official FTP server. Yeah. So most of the people, actually all of the people who downloaded that specific FTP server version, they had the backdoor within it. Okay. And we talking about this one. Let me grab it. It's FTP. Actually, it was comically called Very Secure FTP. Yeah, so it was so much secure that it was compromised in the official provider server, and anyone who was downloading it, they had a backdoor basically in their server. And comically, super comically, there was just a way to exploit it, to activate the backdoor. It was username smile, and then the backdoor was there and was possible to infiltrate the server as root directly. It's crazy. And we can see that Privesc here. So as we can see, we are Damon, probably Targaryen. Damon Targaryen, hello, I love you. And what's happening here is the following. Look, netstat. Oh my god, netstat. I'm tired, guys. DNLP. Let's see if we see something. Yeah. So the backdoor triggered an internal, basically opened an internal port, which was 6200, and of course now is not there because we didn't trigger the backdoor, right? Look, is not there. Is definitely not there. But if we want to open that backdoor, we just have to do this. FTP 10.10.10.3, and we log in as anonymous on any username, a smile, hello, anything, all right? And now we go back here. We should be able to see, in fact, an internal port. Listen, an internal port on 62. Actually, yeah, this port is on 6200. This port is 6200. Oh my god, I'm messing things up. Apologies. And if we try to connect to that server, in our case is internal, so we cannot reach from the external, but which was the case in the real world thing. But if we try to connect internally, being Damon Targaryen, look what happens. Local host 6200. Oh, whoa. Bling bling, as she says. Hello, Siren. I love you. Root. Oh my god, what's going on here? We root, guys. Look. That's crazy, man. For real. So we escalated to root, but as you know, this is not just for me sharing how to get user flag, root flag, this sort of things. But to me is also more on learning how to utilize different tools and stuff. So in this case, we will use Metasploit, msf console, if I can type, use Metasploit to second to catch a reverse shell from root lame. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Search multi-handler, use 7 options, set lhost on 0, set lport, oh my god, 7676. This should work. Okay, and then run. Is it running? Yeah. So jobs, let me see. All right, so now we simply send a shell back home. So hopefully it's gonna work. You never know, you know. You never know with computers. Yeah, seems working. Oh. Yeah, we got a shell. We got a shell back. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we're it. So as you can see, this is an alternative way to catch the shell. Previously, we have seen Netcat and also Netcat on steroids using RLWRAP, okay, which is always Netcat actually. And in this case, I've used multi-handler. So that's all for today, guys. I really hope it was useful for you. I had a lot of fun. And again, thank you very much for watching. See you.